Hey guys, it's me, Fabio, and today I'll show you how to make an Aperol Spritz. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all our new content. The Aperol Spritz is the most well known of the Italian Spritz family, which rose to popularity at the end of the 19th century when Venice was still a part of the Austrian Empire. Austrian soldiers at that time in Venice used to drink white wine or prosecco mixed with an Italian aperitif and then diluted with a spritz of water to make them lower ABV and easier to drink. So let's make the Aperol Spritz. Aperol was created in 1919 by the Barbieri brothers and achieved its success from the 1950s when the Aperol Spritz was born. We're going to start pouring 2 parts of Aperol, in this case 60 ml, followed by ice and 3 parts of prosecco. I finish it off with a spritz of soda water and an orange slice. And there you have it, an original Italian Aperol Spritz. Enjoy!